what are linear equations? So before that we should know what are linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means an expression which has a degree of 1 is called linear polynomial. If, if an expression is equated to another expression with an equal sign, then you will call that as a linear equation. So an expression with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. If it is equated to another expression with a degree of 1, then you will call that as linear equation. So the main difference between an expression and an equation is you will have a equal sign. Okay. The left side of an equal sign is called left hand side. The right side of an equation is called right hand side. So LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand side. So here in equation you can find the value of an variable, but in expression you can only evaluate the value of an variable. So in equation you will have a equal sign. Because of that you can find the value of the variable x here. So in equation you can find the value of a variable, but in expression you can only evaluate the value of a variable. So let's see how to find the variable value. So you have an equation here, 3x minus x is equal to x plus 3. The first step is to bring the variables to one side and take the constant to the other side. So 3x, you have a variable here. So bring the variable to the other side of your equal sign. The plus x will go as a minus x. Then 3, this minus 5, the variable 5 will go as a plus 5 on the other side of the equation. Okay. So remember the 3x is already on the LHS side. So first write that. Which you are bringing from the other side of the equal sign, change the sign and bring. The same way 3 is there on the RHS. So keep it as such. Which you are bringing from LHS side, change the sign and bring. So the numbers which are there on the LHS or RHS should remain with the same sign. Which you are bringing from one side to other side, the signs will change. If it is plus, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. The same way, if you have multiplication, it will become a division on the other side. If it is division on one side, it will go as a multiplication. We will see more sum on that concept also. So 3x minus x is 2x. 3 plus 5 is 8. So now 2x. What is 2x? 2 into x. It is in multiplication. So it will go as a division on the other side. So 8 by 2, which is nothing but 4. Now I calculated the value of my variable, that is 4. So this is the use of an equation. When you equate, you can find the value of a variable. But for example, you have an expression. So let's take the expression 3x minus 5. So expression, you can only evaluate the value of an expression. You cannot find the value of an variable. So you need to substitute the value for your variable. For example, I take here 5. Then what will be my expression value? 3 into 5 minus 5. So 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. So I have evaluated the value of my expression, that is equal to 10 when my variable x is equal to 5. Let's see an example with division. 3y by 2 minus 3 is equal to 9. So the first step, let's take the constant to the other side. So 9 plus 3, because the minus 3 will go as a plus 3 on the other side. The 9 is already in RHS, so you write as such. You are just taking the LHS minus 3 as plus 3 on the other side. So you get 3y by 2 is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12. Now 2 is in division, it will go as a multiplication on the other side. So you get 12 into 2. Now 3 into y, it is in multiplication, so it will go as a division on the other side. So you get 12 into 2 by 3. So this goes 4 times. So you get y is equal to 8. Let's see a word problem. The age of father is 20 years more than twice the age of the son. If sum of their ages is 65 years, find the age of the son and the father. So this we can solve using linear equation. So what they have given, age of a father is 20 years more than twice the age of the son. So here always remember, when you are dealing with age sum, just take the second part of the second person as x. So here the father's age they have given. He is 20 years more than twice the age of the son. So we need to take age of the son as x. Then we can find the age of the father. Then we need to add their ages, because sum of their ages is equal to 65 years. So once you equate it, once you form a linear equation, you will be able to find the variable, right? So let's take the son's age as x, twice the son age. So twice the ages 2 into x, that is 2x. Father's age is 20 more than twice the age of the son. So father's ages 20 years more than twice the age of the son. Okay, so remember, always go from the last so that you will not miss every word of your problem. So the age of the son, you have taken it as x, twice the age is 2 into x, then father's age is 20 years more than twice the age of the son. Now sum of their age is 65 years. So son's age, sum means addition, right? Sum means addition. So sum of their ages. So son's age is x, father's age is 2x plus 20. This is equal to 65 years. So x plus 2x is 3x plus 20 is equal to 65. Then 3x equal to, this plus 20 will go as a minus 20 on the other side. So 65 will be as such minus 20. Remember, the number which is there on the side will remain as such. Which you bring to the other side, you will change the sign and take it to the other side. So 3x equal to 45. So x is equal to, here 3x means 3 into x, which is in multiplication. It will go as a division on the other side. Hence you get 15. So the son's age is 15. Once you find the son's age, father's age is nothing but 20 plus 2x. So the father's age is 20 plus 2x. It is an expression. So we can evaluate the value of this expression by substituting x is equal to 15. So 20 plus 2 into 15. So 20 plus 30, which is equal to 50. So the son's age is 15. Father's age is equal to 50. It's a very easy sum with just one variable. This sum is an example of linear equation with two variable. Okay. So the sum of two number is 85. If one number exceeds the other by 7, find the numbers. So here it's a very easy sum of two numbers. So we need to add two numbers. The number is equal to 85. And they have given another clue also. If one number exceeds the other by 7, then what are those numbers? So we can frame two equation using these two statements. Then we can find the numbers. So sum of two numbers, as we doesn't know the numbers, let's consider the two numbers as, take the two numbers as x and y. Okay, the sum of two numbers. So x plus y is equal to 85. Let's consider this as the first equation. Okay, if one number exceeds the other by 7, so if I subtract these two numbers, it will be equal to 7 because one number exceeds the other number by 7. So this is the second equation. From the second equation, let's find the variable x. So x is equal to 7 plus y. I did not find the variable y here because it's in minus, so you need to change the sign. So always go for the ones which is simpler to solve. So I have found my x here. So x is equal to 7 plus y. This minus y will go as a plus y on the other side. Now I got my variable x. Now substitute this variable x in your first equation. Sub 2 in first equation. So you will get 7 plus y. Instead of x, I will write 7 plus y is equal to 85. So 7 plus y. So y means the coefficient is 1. So here 1, y plus y is 2y is equal to 85. So 2y is equal to 85 minus 7. So the plus 7 will go as a minus 7 on the other side of your equal sign. Now 2y is nothing but 2 into y. It's in multiplication. It will go as a division on the other side. So 85 minus 7 is 78. 78 by 2 is 39. Now I found my variable y, that is equal to 39. So use any one of the equation and find the variable x. So we will find variable x using this equation. X minus y is equal to 7. So x minus 39 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 plus 39. So x is equal to 46. So now we found the other variable x. So the numbers are 46 and 39. Updates on math and physics, please click to subscribe.